got style.
You are in Slideshow.
What is he, like, king of the guinea pigs?
I think it's a squirrel.
Welcome, giant pansies. Please feel free to bask in my glow.
Definitely a squirrel.
Yep, squirrel.
We thank you with enormous gratitude for chasing away the Fusa.
The Husa?
The Fusa. They're always annoying us by trespassing, interrupting our parties, and ripping our limbs off.
Yeah, sounds good. Look, we're just trying to find out where the people are.
Oh,
So if you
my.
could,
What big teeth you have. Man, shame on you, Maurice. You do not see that you've insulted the freak? You must tell me, who the heck are you?
I'm Alex, the Alex, and this is Gloria, Marty, and Melman.
And just where are you giants from?
We're from New York, and we.
All hail the New York Giants!
What are they doing? Some sort of inbreeding program? Well, I say we just gotta ask these bozos where the people are.
Excuse me. We bozos have the people, of course.
Hey, the bozos have the people.
Oh, well, great, good. Phew.
They're up there. Don't you love the people? Not a very lively bunch, though.
Oh, wow. So do you have any live people?
No. Only dead ones. I mean, if we had a lot of live people here, it wouldn't be called the Wild, would it?
The wild?
Whoa, hold up there a second, Fuzz Bucket. You mean like the live in a mud hut, wipe yourself with a leaf type wild?
Who waits?
Oy vey.
Oy vey! Oy vey, everybody!
Could you excuse me for a moment?
Get me out of here! We gotta get out of here!
Alex!
Help!
What are you doing?
I'm swimming back to New York. I know my chances are slim, but I have to try.
You can't swim!
I said my chances are slim.
Nature! It's all over me! Get it off! I can't see! I can't see!
I can see.
Okay, look. There's obviously just been a little mistake. I'm sure the people didn't dump us here on purpose. As soon as they realize what happened, they'll come looking for us, right?
Yeah, right.
You know something? I bet they're already on their way.
Well, boys, it's gonna be ice-cold sushi for breakfast. Rika.
Well, since I'm doomed to die on this forsaken island, I, Melman Mankiewicz, being of sound mind and unsound body, have divided my estate equally among the three. Oh, sorry, Alex.
Hey! A latrine! Nice work, Melman. Outdoor plumbing.
No, it's not a latrine. It's a grave. You sent Melman to his grave. Are you happy?
Ah, come on. This isn't the end. This is a whole new beginning. This could be the best thing that's ever happened to us.
No. This is not the best thing that's ever happened to us.
Yeah, you abused the power of the birthday wish and brought this bad luck on all of us. So why'd you tell us you wish? You're not supposed to do that.
Wait a minute. I didn't want to tell you, remember? You guys made me tell you.
Oh, okay.
Besides, this isn't bad luck. This is good luck. Look around. There's no fences, no schedule. This place is beautiful. Baby, we were born.
Okay, I've had enough of this. This is your side of the island, and this is our side of the island. That is the bad side, where you can prance and skip around like a magical pixie horse and do whatever the heck you want to do all day long. And this is the good side of the island for those who love New York and care about going home.
Come on.
No, back. Oh, hey.
You know what? This isn't good.
Okay. You all have your side, and I'll have mine. And if you need me, I'll be over here on the fun side of the island, having a good old time.
This is the fun side. This is the fun side where we're gonna have a great time surviving until we go home. Woo! I love this side. This side's the best. That side stinks. You're on the Jersey side of this cesspool.
Well, now what do we do?
Don't worry, Melman. I have a plan to get us rescued. Can't wait to see the look on Marty's face when he sees this. Ooh, just look at him. He's helpless without us. Shut up, Spaulding.
I've been standing here for hours, man. How long do I have to pose like this?
She is finito. I defy any rescue boat within a
I
million
sleep.
miles from this distance, baby. When the moment is right, we will ignite a beacon of liberty and be rescued from this awful nightmare. What do you think? Pretty cool, huh? How's the Liberty Fire going, Melman?
Great.
I heard that.
Why can't we just borrow some of Marty's fire?
That's wildfire. We're not using wildfire on Lady Liberty. Now, Rob, Melman.
I've been doing. I can't do it. I can't do it. Fire! 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 Oh my! Fire! No! Fire!
Jump! Alex, jump! Don't worry, cats always land on their face. Man, what kind of cat are you?
You maniac! You burned it up! Darn you! Darn you all to heck!
Can we go to the fun side now?
Everybody calm down. Come on, into your tent. Yes, everybody, please. Calm down. Let go of his head. Separate those two, would you please? You over here and you over there. Everybody, shh. Calm down, people, okay? Now, presenting your Royal Highness, the illustrious blah, 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 you know, et cetera, et cetera. Yeah, hooray. Let's go.
Now, everybody, we all have great curiosity about our guests, the New York Giants.
I
liked them first. Before I even met them, I liked them.
Yes,
So that I
yes,
liked them right
yes.
away. You hate them compared to how much I
Oh,
like
shut
them.
up, you're so annoying. Now, for as long as we can remember, we have been attacked and eaten by the dreaded Fusa.
The Fusa! The Fusa are attacking! It's a cookbook!
I don't know. I sleep.
Quiet! Come on, y'all. They're not attacking us this very instant.
So, my genius plan is this. We will make the New York Giants our friends and keep them close. Then, with Mr. Alex protecting us, we will be safe and never have to worry about the dreaded Fusa ever again. I thought of that.
Yes.
Me, I did.
Hold on, everybody. Hold on. I'm just thinking now. I mean, does anyone wonder why the Fusa was so scared of Mr. Alex?
I sleep. I go again. See.